No one really thinks about their drains until they're clogged. A slow draining sink or standing water in the tub can quickly turn into a real hassle. The good news? The right drain cleaner can often save you the trouble of calling a plumber. Some are designed to power through hair, others handle grease and soap buildup, and a few are better suited for long-term maintenance or eco-friendly care. In this video, we'll cover the top 6 drain cleaners and their key features to help you choose the best one for your needs. Links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description below. Number 6. Scapoff 2025 Upgraded Sink and Drain Cleaner. If you're looking for something simple and affordable to help keep your drains flowing smoothly, the Scappof 2025 Upgraded Sink and Drain Cleaner is a great option. This cleaner comes in convenient little packets, which means no measuring, no spills, and no guessing how much to use. Just drop one packet into your drain, pour in some hot water, and let it fizz away. You'll hear it working almost right away. Many users have mentioned the fizzing sound gives them a bit of reassurance that it's actually doing its job. The cleaner is designed to help break down light clogs, such as minor buildup from soap, grease, and hair. It works well for bathroom sinks, kitchen sinks, tubs, and shower drains. That said, this isn't the product you want for a really stubborn blockage or a completely clogged pipe. It's more of a maintenance solution. Great for keeping things clear month after month before you run into a bigger issue. If you keep up with it, it can save you from having to deal with tougher clogs down the road. One thing we really liked about this cleaner is that it doesn't have the harsh chemical smell that you often get with stronger formulas. And because it comes in small packets, it's easy to store in a cabinet without taking up much space. If you live in an apartment or a smaller home with lighter drain use, this is a good option to consider. It's budget-friendly, easy to use, and works best as a regular maintenance tool to help keep everything flowing as it should. Number 5. Yugou Foaming Drain Cleaner. If you like the idea of a cleaner that can really reach all sides of your pipes, the Yugou Foaming Drain Cleaner is worth a look. It uses a foaming action that expands inside your drain, helping to coat the entire surface of the pipe, not just the bottom where liquids tend to settle. The process is simple. You pour the powder into the drain and then follow it up with hot water. The mixture quickly foams up, filling the pipe. This helps loosen and clear out hair, soap scum, grease, and other buildup. Many users have commented that they also notice fewer unpleasant odors after using it, which is always a plus for kitchen and bathroom drains. While it works well for keeping drains clear and fresh, this isn't the cleaner to grab for a completely clogged pipe or one that's draining very slowly. It's better suited for regular monthly maintenance, something to help prevent those tough clogs from forming in the first place. We also appreciate how affordable and easy this product is to store. The powder comes in a small, lightweight container that doesn't take up much space. It's a handy item to keep under the sink for routine use. And compared to some stronger chemical cleaners, the scent here is quite mild, not overpowering or lingering. If you're looking for a product to help manage buildup and keep your drains smelling clean, the Yugou Foaming Drain Cleaner does a nice job. It's a simple way to stay ahead of the typical hair and grease that can slow things down in your kitchen or bathroom pipes. Number 4. Bioclean Bacteria and Enzyme Drain. Septic Cleaner. If you prefer a more eco-friendly way to keep your drains clear, Bioclean Bacteria and Enzyme Drain. Septic Cleaner is a great option. It works a little differently than your typical chemical drain cleaner. Instead of breaking clogs apart with harsh ingredients, Bioclean uses a blend of natural bacteria and enzymes that digest the organic material causing buildup in your pipes. It's completely safe for all types of plumbing, including older pipes, and also works well with septic systems. Many households on septic prefer this kind of cleaner because it helps keep the system balanced and avoids introducing anything that could harm the good bacteria in the tank. To use it, you mix the powder with warm water and pour it down the drain. From there, the bacteria go to work eating away at grease, hair, soap residue, and other debris. One thing to keep in mind, this is more of a preventative treatment than a quick fix. It won't clear a severe clog overnight, but with regular use, many users have reported smoother flowing drains after a couple of treatments. For best results, it's often recommended to apply Bioclean overnight or during times when the drain won't be used, such as right before a vacation. This gives the bacteria time to work undisturbed. There are no chemical fumes, which is another bonus if you're sensitive to strong scents. Overall, this is a long-term maintenance product, ideal for keeping your drains healthy and free-flowing over time. It's especially helpful for older homes and for anyone wanting a gentler, more natural way to care for their plumbing. Number 3. Green Gobbler Drain Opening Packs. If you like the convenience of grab-and-go solutions, the Green Gobbler Drain Opening Packs are an excellent option to have on hand. Each pack comes pre-measured in single-use portions, so there's no need to measure or pour. You simply open the pack and pour it into the drain. It's quick, easy, and leaves no guesswork. The formula is designed to tackle some of the most common drain problems: hair, grease, soap residue, and even food waste. The thick liquid works its way down into the pipes and clings to the clog, allowing it to break down the blockage more effectively. Many users report that moderate clogs often begin to clear within just a few hours after use. One big plus with this product is that it's safe for most types of plumbing, even older pipes that might be more sensitive to stronger chemical cleaners. And unlike some harsh formulas, it doesn't have an overpowering odor. The mild scent makes it easier to use in kitchens and bathrooms without the worry of strong lingering smells. Another thing we liked: the instructions are clear and easy to follow, so even first-time users will know exactly how to apply it. Many people like to keep a box of these on hand for those times when a drain starts slowing down. It's a fast and convenient solution for kitchen sinks, bathroom tubs, and shower drains. Storage is simple too. The compact packaging takes up very little space under the sink, making it easy to grab when you need it. If you're looking for an easy-to-use product that handles everyday clogs and is ready to go when needed, Green Gobbler Drain Opening Packs are a smart choice. Number 2. Liquid Plumr Hair Clog Eliminator Gel. If your drains clog frequently because of hair, Liquid Plumr Hair Clog Eliminator Gel is one to keep nearby. It's formulated specifically to tackle hair clogs, which are often one of the most stubborn issues in bathroom drains. The thick gel consistency pours slowly and sticks to the clog, giving it time to break everything down. It works especially well in tubs, bathroom sinks, and shower drains, all the places where hair tends to collect. Many users have noticed that clogs start to loosen within 15 to 30 minutes after applying the gel. For even tougher clogs, letting it sit a little longer before flushing with hot water can help improve results. What makes this product stand out is how useful it is for regular maintenance in homes where hair buildup is a constant problem. If you've got multiple long-haired family members or just notice hair collecting in the drains often, using Liquid Plumr every few weeks can help prevent slow draining and backups before they get worse. The gel has a slight chemical scent, but it's not overpowering, and it tends to fade quickly once the job is done. While this is a great choice for bathroom maintenance, it's not ideal for grease-heavy kitchen clogs. It's designed more for breaking down hair and soap residue. For an affordable, easy-to-use product that works well on hair clogs, Liquid Plumr Hair Clog Eliminator Gel is a solid choice. It's one of those handy items you'll want to keep under the bathroom sink, ready to go when drains start slowing down. If your home deals with hair-related clogs on a regular basis, this cleaner can really help keep things running smoothly. Number 1. Drano Max Gel Liquid Clog Remover. Drano Max Gel Liquid Clog Remover earns its spot as one of the most popular and reliable options for clearing tough clogs. The heavy-duty formula is designed to tackle some of the most common household drain problems: hair, grease, and soap scum, all in one bottle. One of its biggest strengths is the thick gel consistency. It's heavy enough to sink straight through standing water, so you don't have to wait for the drain to empty first. Just pour the gel in, and it starts working its way down to the clog. Many users report noticeable clearing in under 30 minutes, though for more stubborn clogs, giving it a bit more time can help. It's also one of the most versatile options. You can use it in kitchen sinks, bathroom sinks, tubs, and showers. Basically anywhere in the house where drains tend to slow down. The product is easy to use and comes in large bottles, so you can treat multiple drains or use it for monthly maintenance to help prevent buildup. The chemical scent is noticeable when pouring, but most users find it fades fairly quickly once the drain is cleared and flushed. Another plus: the formula is safe on PVC, metal pipes, and even older plumbing, so you won't have to worry about damaging your system with regular use. If your home tends to deal with frequent clogs or slow drains, Drano Max Gel is a top pick to keep on hand. It works well across a variety of drain types, clears clogs quickly, and is easy enough for anyone to use without special tools. For performance, reliability, and overall convenience, this one stands out as a go-to solution. That's our list of the 6 best drain cleaners. Each one has its strengths. Whether you're looking for something with quick action, a long-term maintenance option, or an eco-friendly formula. We hope this helped you find one that fits your needs. If it did, please give the video a thumbs up, and feel free to share in the comments which one you're going to try. Don't forget, links to all the products are listed below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.